for Kids TV.
Students, are you ready to learn maths? Today we are learning addition. Addition is adding two different objects or number which result in its total sum. Let's see with some examples. As you can see, we have one apple and there is another apple. Let's count it together to see what's the sum. 1, 2. We have 2 apples. Now you can see I have 1 apple and you have 2 apples. Let's count it on your fingers. How many apples we both have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 apples. Now see, there are 2 oranges and 2 other oranges. When we count it together, we will have sum of it. Let's count it on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 oranges. Let's see other example. We have 2 lollipops on one side and 3 on the other. What will be the sum? Let's count it on the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have total 5 lollipops. Let's see another one. We have 4 candies on one side and 2 on the other. What will be the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 candies. Exercise time. How many mangoes are there? There is 2 on one side and 2 on the others. Let's count it. There are 4 mangoes. Good. How many pieces are the total of it? 5 pages. Great. Let's do the sum of the strawberries. There are 6 strawberries. Good job. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.